So in this video, I'm going to discuss the maximum XOR product problem which occurred in today's LEETCODE challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I put both the links in the comment section and pin them. So the problem statement is very simple. You're given A, B, and N, and you have to choose a number X which is in this range. Okay, such that A XOR X into B XOR X is maximized. Okay, it has to be maximized. So the problem statement, as evident, is very simple. That is, you're like, so remember one thing, that it is given that A and B are always lesser than equal to 2 to the power 50 or something like that. I think this was a constant. Okay, so for our safety you can run till 51 because I don't know the constant actually. So you can do one thing, like, okay, run a loop from 0 to 51. Okay, and check if the multiplication of A XOR 2 to the power I and B XOR 2 to the power I is greater than the multiplication of A and B, then you can simply say that A can be replaced as to this and B can be replaced as this. Okay, simple. Now after we are done with this, we are just going to return the multiplication mod, the modded multiplication. Okay, remember one thing, that it is given in the question that we have to return the modded multiplication, the modded multiplication of A comma B, right? This is the simple code, the pseudo code. So this portion is very much clear. Now the thing is how we are going to do the this mul and mul mod. Okay, these two functions. Now this multiplication function, if you are like into CP for like almost like for a long time, so you must be knowing there is a code that helps you to multiply two strings. Okay, two strings. Since A and B are very large, so if A and B are of the range 2 to the power 50, so A into B can be of the range 2 to the power 100, right? Which is greater than the long range, greater than the range of long end. Okay, so we can't just simply multiply it. So what we are going to do, we are going to we are going to make this A a string, B a string, and multiply them and return a string. Okay, similarly for this. And remember one thing, when you're going to perform operations in string, and if you're like in a Java coder, so this greater thing won't work. So over there you have to do compare to, right? You know that. And similarly for CPP, I don't know. So that's it. So once you're done with this, so this is how we are going to do the multiplication. So I think you will get a lot of explanations of the code, how to multiply two strings and return it in string. You will get a lot of them. So this is how we are going to do this. And this mul mod, it is a very simple method. Like if you have, I don't know whether you know about this, A mod equal to mod, then while B, then it's, I think it's if B mod 2 is equal to 1, then you're going to make answer equal to answer plus A or B, A mod, and A is going to be 2A mod. Okay, like this is a function. I won't explain it. So this is how you're going to do this. Like you will get a lot of them, that how to multiply both numbers, two great numbers with having a mod. Like you will get this code in every, like most of the platforms you will get this, and this code also you'll get in most of the platforms. Simply you have to just know that these two are the operations that you have to perform. You can't just simply multiply them because the numbers are very great. Okay, so this is the code behind this. So this is the logic behind this. So if in case you still have any problem regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram, or you can join my Discord server. Like we can do one thing, we can check them. So for this 1, 6 and 3, so what we are going to do, I 0 to 51. Now remember one thing I forgot to mention, it is 51, but it should be 51, it should be minimum of 51 comma n. Like in this whole thing, where is n coming, right? N is non-functional. So remember one thing, it has to be lesser than 2 to the power n, right? So you are going to make minimum of 51 comma n. This is very important, I forgot to mention, okay, in the beginning. So for this, so we can do for 0, 1, 2, right? For 0, it is 2 to the power 0 is 1, and 2 to the power 1 is 2, and this is 4. Like XOR 6 with 1, 7 with 1. So you sorry XOR 1 with 1 and 6 with 1, right? You get a number. XOR then if that number is greater than, if the multiplication of that number and this number is greater than this, then you going to replace A with that and B with this, and again XOR them. If it is greater, then do this. If it is greater, then do this. So this is how you're going to do the operations. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you.